Everyone likes to create awesome videos like this. TikTok, which has merged with Musical.ly and now Musical.ly has been converted as TikTok. It is the best platform to create awesome videos with the help of sounds. Today we are going to see the tutorial of it. Watch the full video to know about it. Let us get into the video. If you have not subscribed the Be With Tech English channel, please click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon near it to get all my video updates instantly. As soon as you open TikTok app, you can click the profile button at bottom right corner. You can find all your solo and duet videos. Also your liked videos here. This is my first Musical.ly video. Your old videos are like old memories. Please do watch it at regular intervals. It gives you awesome feeling. You can edit your profile here by clicking edit profile button. Here you can edit your name, add your profile photo and video and so on. Click the plus button which is at center of the bottom. Now click select sound option at top. You can find many languages and various type of video sound here. You can browse and select the favorite sound by clicking on it. You can hear the sound first and then click shoot with this sound to start making your video. You can hold this button to record your video with the sound you have selected. Once recording is finished and processed, if you find that your recording gets banged or not up to the mark, it would be usually due to over memory usage. You can force stop background apps. You can clear cache. You can clear the cache of this app in the settings option in profile window. Once again hold the button and do the video. Once the video is ready, click the tick mark at the bottom right corner. Click filter icon at the bottom and you can add various video filters here. You can click the time icon here and apply various filter effects and time effects here. Effects like reverse, flash and slow motion is good time effects used here. You can click at the top icon and change the volume for the video. Once the editing is finished, click next to continue. You can set your video to public or private. You can set whether others can comment in your video or not. Then click on post. You can see here your video being processed. Wait for it to finish it. Before you can see it in your gallery in TikTok, you can tap in the video to play and pause the video. You can give likes by hearts and share your comments here. You click at and username their profile would be opened. You can follow and unfollow your favorite muses. You can even message them if they have added you as their friend. You can find various videos made with this same sound by clicking here. You can click here to make a solo Musical.ly video with this sound. You can click any of the videos and see how they perform and can do duet or download it. This is a video I took earlier. I'm not a great actor. You can put some creativity and make awesome videos. When you click the home button, you would have 2 tabs. Following and For You tab. Following tab shows videos from users who you follow. For You tab shows videos which are most trending videos given to you by TikTok app. I like this video, so I would like to download it by clicking in the share icon and click on any social media icon or any available icon. I'm choosing WhatsApp. Once your video has been processed and saved, you can share it with your friends in any social media or in any app. My kind request is download other videos only when you like it and give them the credits and appreciation for their effort. You can search here for your favorite users, sounds and trending hashtags here. As said in my earlier video, Mernalini is my favorite muser, so I have searched her profile and watching her perform. Please continue posting more TikTok videos Mernalini. If you are also a Mernalini fan, please do comment it. Click here and go to privacy and settings. You can manage your account, my QR code, phone number and password. When you go to privacy and safety settings, you have options like allow others to find me, private account options. Other options like you can send me comments, or duet with me, or send me messages and block list. You can buy TikTok coins from here. You can use TikTok coins to support or buy gifts for other people on the app. Digital wellbeing here has two concepts. First is screen time management, which notifies you when you use the app more than 2 hours. Second is restricted mode. Videos shown to you would be restricted, and videos that can be seen by all would be displayed, and many more options. Click here and go to notification screen. You can find various notifications from your friends and the persons who you follow. Also from TikTok with various challenges and videos around the world. Now you can find various challenges and you can also do that challenges. When you go to the search screen, you can find various hashtags and challenges around the world. You can click on any challenges or hashtags. You can find various awesome challenges around this world. If you like it, share it with your friends. Some post videos with dangerous conditions like while driving. Please avoid posting videos like that. Some videos have warning at bottom to mention the dangerous effects. Now let's see how to make duet videos. Click on the share icon of your favorite video. Then click on duet option. You might like some videos to do a duet. You can do the duet by this way. You can just press in the screen and move top and bottom to apply various filter effects. You can do videos in many speeds. According to the speed you choose, the recording speed may vary. In fast videos, audio would be slow. In slow videos, audio would be fast. If you want to do a video without holding a button, you can click this button and after few seconds you can do your recording. If you want to stop in the middle, click this button, click on effects option, and then you can add more face filters and make your video funny and interactive. While you are recording you can pause and then continue to record. Last recorded portion would be one segment. While you are recording after a pause. If your recorded segment goes wrong, you would not need to delete the whole recording. You would just need to delete the last segment alone. Once the video has been processed, click the tick icon. As you have recorded with pause and record option, it gives you a cinematic approach. Click next. You can save the video in drafts for editing it later. If it is not completely done. If you are happy with this video, click post. Your video is now public. Click here to choose your drag cover for preview before the video is loaded. Here to trim your sound. You can set your video as live wallpaper by clicking the live photo option. If you are using this for the first time, you need to download a small app from Play Store. After app is downloaded, you can open and click go set live photo. Go and click live photo option again in the video. Click apply to set live wallpaper. Now you can find your video as live wallpaper. You can find all your live photos inside the app. If you want to follow any person, you can click plus in this icon to follow. You can ask your friends to scan your QR code to open your profile in their phone in order to follow you. You can also follow your friend's TikTok account by scanning their QR code. If you want to do a video with the sound or a particular video sound, you can click upload button and upload that video first. After selecting the video, trim your video if needed and then click on next. After the processing is finished, click on next. Click on post. Now open the video and click on this icon. Now click on this icon and do your video with your uploaded video sound. I had tried to explain most of the features. I hope you would have liked my video. Click here to subscribe my channel. Click here to watch other videos of my channel. Share this video with your friends.